All right. Well, thank God it's Thursday, right? Just want to make sure that you guys had a good, productive free day yesterday. Today's not going to be a free day, but remember, uh, you're coming up on a 4-day weekend here. So if you fall a little bit behind, maybe take one of those days and catch up. That's there's plenty of time to do this if you really put your mind to it. So if you find yourself being behind, remember there's no due dates. But at some point, I have to put grades in. So make sure that you are keeping up. And if you're not, use these moments, use these free days to do some extra work and get yourself caught up. Okay, so ELA. We're going to finish the Maya Angelou memoir with concept vocabulary. Okay, word study, word network, and conventions. So I want you to go through all four of those. Go ahead and put all the answers in a document and send them to me. If you need to reread, remember you can always click on that and it'll play along. Okay, so math, we're doing get ready for statistics and probability. This is a very short unit, so you should be able to get through that today. It's actually shorter than usual, so if you finish early, use that extra time to make up any other math you might need to make up. Science, types of reproduction. This is going to be on page 98. You're going to read all the way down to um, putting it together on page 105 and answer these questions, send it to me in a document, and we're all good for science. Studies, we're going to be reading on page 94 of the An American Nation book, New England Colonies. I want you to go through, learn about all the different early New England colonies, all the way to page 99, where you will do the section review. You don't have to locate, but everything else, if you could do that, that would be wonderful. And I really hope you guys have an awesome, awesome long weekend. Get in touch if you need anything, but you guys are awesome. I know you're gonna do great. So, happy Thursday, and I will see you again next Tuesday. Don't come on Monday because no one else will be here. All right. Have a great Labor Day, guys. Bye.